ladies and gentlemen, and a warm welcome to all of you to the Human Excellence Awards 2021 presented by Zendesk. I am your host, Kavya R. Chavali, promising you a great ceremony ahead. Now, before we get the awards evening started, let's begin it with a welcome note by Mr. K.T. Prasad, Managing Director and RVP Sales, India and SAARC, Zendesk.
Thanks for joining us Kamikaze Future of Work Summit. At Zendesk, we had an opportunity to work closely with companies like Pima Energy, Tesco, Siemens as they strive to deliver a great experience for their employees and customers. I'm sure during the course of today's sessions, we are all able to learn something new on how businesses and HR leaders in India are looking to solve major workplace challenges. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to Human Excellence Awards today, where we would be recognizing some of the people and the teams who made a phenomenal impact of creating employee experience and engagement. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Prasad, for sharing those befitting words of welcome for all of our members of the audience. Now, with the belief that the reward for work well done is the opportunity to do more, and recognition is definitely the greatest motivation, which is why we bring to you the Human Excellence Awards to celebrate the best-in-class standards in human strategies and initiatives. Now, these awards recognize professionals and companies who are stretching the boundaries of people strategy. This year has tested HR like none other. The profession has had to be quick thinking yet mindful, ruthless yet sympathetic, and organized yet malleable. But among the chaos has been plenty of valuable lessons, and despite the challenges, there is lots to celebrate. Each nomination that we have received has been researched and thoroughly evaluated by our core jury members. Now, even between the core committee, they have personally got in touch with every nominee, and combined with the write-up of their nomination, they have evaluated these entries on a 5-point parameter. The whole purpose of this research, by involving industry professionals, is to keep the process transparent, avoid ambiguity, and build 100% of credibility to the awards function and the awardees. From the jury members, we formed a core committee that went through all the nominations filed and personally got in touch with every individual and company to understand their nomination. Now, here are the core jury members whom we would like to thank, without whom the whole process would not have been possible. We'd like to thank Ms. Shweta Shukla, People and Capability Partner, MasterCard. Ms. Pradnya Salastekar, Head Regional HR, Shared Services, General Mills. Mr. Anil Nair, COE Lead and Head, Talent Management and Organizational L&D, Zydus Cadila Healthcare Limited. Mr. Manoj Kumar Sharma, Joint President and CHRO, Aarti Industries Limited. Dr. Ankita Singh, Senior Vice President and Global Head, HR, Admin, Travel and IT, Signex, Datamatics Limited. Ms. Saba Adil, Chief People Officer, Raheja QBE General Insurance Company Limited. Ms. Richa Pathak Dogra, Director, People Technology, Fortune 500 Company. And Ms. Rekha Veerasurya, Senior General Manager, Customer Experience and People Development, Dialogue, Axiata PLC. Well, on that note, let's also hear a few words from some of these jury members about their experience. Let's take a look.
Hello everyone, this is Pradnya Salastekar from General Mills. It was indeed an enriching experience for me to be a part of the jury members for the Employee Engagement Award category. It was also very nice to see the HR evolution from employee relations to employee engagement. According to me, employee engagement is the nucleus of the employee life cycle, because the stronger the employee engagement, more stronger is the organization. It was also very impressive to see the connection of employee engagement to the impact, to the matrix, which obviously has a direct correlation with the business impact. Talking of the entries, the participant entries, I think all were very strong, and that made our role as the judges a little more challenging, but of course it was a good challenge to have. So wishing all the participants all the very best. And as a concluding remark, I would like to say that employee engagement is not a destination. It is a journey that goes on and keeps evolving. So all the best. Thank you.
Hi, this is Manoj Sharma, a member of the jury. It was indeed a great pleasure and a learning experience to be associated with these awards. I got the opportunity to evaluate and assess few nominations and also to interact with some of the team members. The teams are really excited and looking forward to this recognition. I wish them great success and best of luck from my side. Thank you.
Hi, congratulations to all the organizations for nominating themselves for the Human Excellence Award 2021. While going through the nominations, some of my key learnings have been: for most of the organizations, people priorities is an important agenda. There has been an increase in employee centricity. Number 2, how organizations have adopted themselves to technology, breaking all the conservative ways of working. Number 3, there has been an increase in trust and empathy for each employee in the organization. I'm glad to be part of this awards. Thank you so much.
Hi. Most of the organizations have gone through a tough time in the recent past. But what matters is not that what the organizations have gone through, but how have they responded to these unprecedented challenges. As a jury for the awards, I have been fortunate to talk to few companies and have learned how they have coped up with these adversities and have risen to the occasion. It's been a privilege to get associated with Kamikaze to study these organizations' special efforts. Few of them are worth of acknowledgement and special recognition. I wish all the organizations that have participated in this award function the best of luck and great success in the coming years too. Thank you.
And with that, let's get the award ceremony started. Let's move on to our first category for the evening, which is Future of Work, Human-Machine Collaboration. And the winner is AB InBev Growth Analytics Center. Mighty congratulations, and let's hear a few words from Mr. Madhur Bhatia, Director, People Analytics, AB InBev.
Hello everyone, my name is Madhur and I lead the Global People Analytics program for AB InBev from Bangalore. We are thrilled to accept the award for Future of Work, Machine-Human Collaboration. It's been more than a couple of years since we started our journey with people analytics at ABI, and we have now grown to a team of dozen data scientists collaborating with our partners in the people team to create capabilities for transforming people processes in our company. OPR 10X is one such capability where we've created tools, a performance dashboard, and a machine learning algorithm to support managers with data and insights so they can make the best decisions for their teams. Since we introduced the tools a couple of years ago, we've taken massive strides towards making the performance appraisal process in the company more transparent, objective, and efficient. We are grateful for all the support we've enjoyed from the leadership in the company, and we continue to draw inspiration from cutting-edge research in the people analytics space to create more products for the organization. On behalf of the People Analytics team and ABI, I'd like to thank Kamikaze and Zendesk for acknowledging our efforts. Thank you.
Our next category for the evening, Future of Work Reskilling. And the winner is Wonder Cement Limited. Well, on that note, let's also hear the words from Mr. Arijit Basu, AVP Marketing, Wonder Cement Limited.
Hi, I'm Arijit. Trust everyone is doing good in these trying times of COVID. It gives me immense pleasure in receiving the Human Excellence Award 2021 on behalf of Wonder Cement Limited in the category Future of Work Reskilling. I would like to thank the directors of Wonder Cement, the Executive Director, Mr. Sanjay Joshi, for his continuous mentorship, the state heads, the Central Business Action Team for their unending support to make this initiative scale up. Finally, I would like to thank the jury and the team of Kamikaze B2B Media for the platform. Thank you once again. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Well, let's move on to our next category and let's keep that excitement going. Our next category is Future of Work Employee Experience. And in this category, we have two winners. First for Signex. And let's hear it for our winner, Transport Corporation of India Limited. Let's also hear a few words from Mr. Manoj Kumar Tripathi, Vice President, Transport Corporation of India Limited.
Thank you, Kamikaze, for this wonderful event and Human Excellence Award 2021. We are deeply honored and grateful to be the recipient of award Future of Work Employee Experience category. I would also like to take this opportunity to appreciate the member of the jury for considering our nomination. It is indeed very motivating and encouraging for our team. Thank you so much.
As we march forward, it's time for our next category, Future of Work Automation. And the winner is Ascent Consulting Private Limited. Let's hear a few words from Mr. Subramaniam S., who's the founder and CEO of Ascent Consulting Private Limited.
Thank you, Kamikaze, for this award, Future of Work Automation. People are the differentiators in every industry today, and at Ascent HR, we are committed to powering people practice, making such journeys wonderful, easy, successful, rewarding. Thanks again to Kamikaze and every Ascentian who has contributed in making this journey so wonderful.
Our next category for the evening, Future of Work, the Borderless Organization, and the winner is Skipper Limited. Well, let's hear what Mr. Mainak Chaki, the Vice President Human Resources, Skipper Limited, has to say.
Hi, Mainak here, Mainak Ranjan Chaki. I'm representing Skipper Limited. Thank you, Kamikaze B2B Media, for organizing this wonderful Future of Work Summit 2021. And we are really glad to receive the honor and the award for the category of Future of Work, the Borderless Organization. In true sense, my organization Skipper is borderless and expanding borderless. Thank you for this honor.
And time for our next category, Future of Work Diversity and Inclusion. And the winner is Canara HSBC OBC Life Insurance. Well, let's hear a few words from Ms. Kiran Yadav, Chief People Officer, Canara HSBC OBC Life Insurance.
Hi everybody, my name is Kiran and I represent Canara HSBC OBC Life Insurance as the Chief People Officer. Thank you Kamikaze Media and Human Excellence Award platform for recognizing us as one of the distinct organizations in the diversity and inclusion space. It means a lot to us. We have been championing several path-picking initiatives and aim to continue doing meaningful work in this field. We are an organization that believes in leveraging our own policy, creating our own programs and services, and meeting the diverse needs of our employees who've been with us for the last 13 years. Thank you once again for this reward and such honor. We are privileged to be part of this group. Wishing everyone ahead a healthy and safe year. Thank you so much.
Well, it's time to keep the momentum on. It's time to keep the excitement on. Let's hear it for Best L&D Initiative in Disruptive Times. And the winner is Tata Capital Limited. Well, let's also hear what Mr. Eldrin Fernandez, Associate VP L&D Tata Capital, has to say.
Thank you, Kamikaze, and to the jurors who've chosen to bestow this honor on the Tata Capital L&D team. I'm extremely honored to be receiving such an important award on Human Excellence, Best L&D Initiatives during disruptive times. I'm earnestly grateful for the recognition we have received for the work we do at Tata Capital. This further strengthens our commitment and motivates us to continue doing more and adding value to our employees. A special mention to our L&D head, Mr. Sridhar Sarthi, without whom this wouldn't have been possible. Once again, I deeply appreciate this recognition as we continue on our journey of learning towards a hallmark of excellence. We at Tata Capital L&D stay committed to your trust. Thank you.
Our next category for the evening, Best L&D Strategy in Disruptive Times. And the winner is Transport Corporation of India Limited. Mighty congratulations to the team, and let's also hear from Mr. Rajendra Sharma, Vice President, Transport Corporation of India Limited.
Hi everyone, I am Rajendra Sharma. I am Vice President in TCI Supply Chain Solutions. Our sincere thanks to jury for this Best L&D Strategy Awards in Disruptive Time. TCI has been at the forefront of learning and development for their employee and entire ecosystem. This award will motivate us and strive us to do better apart from being innovative. Once again, many thanks for this award and have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Our next exciting category for the evening is Best Use of Gamification. And the winner is Z Entertainment Enterprises Limited. Well, let's hear from Mr. Animesh Kumar, President HR and Transformation, Z.
It's a pleasure to be recognized for the best use of gamification, mobile technology, and video learning for doing capability building at the Future of Work Summit 2021. The award is a culmination of incredible amounts of innovation and hard work that the teams had put in to make sure that the capability building agenda for the company, especially because we had launched the Z 4.0 transformation, did not get compromised. The interesting use of technology, whether it was in inducting people, whether it was around delivering training programs, nuggetizing learning, all of these have come together in a really unique way within the organization. And even though we didn't have employees coming into the company, physically into work, we were still able to deliver against all the learning needs that we had identified at the beginning of the year. So kudos to the team. And here's to more, upwards and onwards.
Time for our next category, Best L&D Program for Future Skill Reset. And the winner is PNB MetLife India Insurance Company Limited. Well, let's hear from Mr. Pranta Datta, Head of Corporate L&D and Distribution Training, PNB MetLife India Insurance Company Limited.
Hi, my name is Pranta Datta and I head the Corporate L&D and Distribution Training for PNB MetLife in India. On behalf of PNB MetLife, I would like to accept this prestigious award and also thank the panel for trusting us. The world is going through a difficult time and I hope that this passes off soon. Till then, please take care of yourself and stay safe. Thank you so much.
Well, it's time for our next category for the evening, Best Employee Engagement Program, Multi-Industry. We in fact have 3 winners in this category. First up, let's hear it for Elara Technologies PT Limited. Congratulations to the team, and let's hear a few words from Ms. Namita Bharadwaj, Senior Director HR, Elara Technologies PT Limited.
It feels great to be recognized as a winner of the Best Employee Engagement Program category. Delivering consistent superlative employee experience is the mantra at Elara when it comes to employee experience. People have always been at the core of our strategy, and this belief has driven us tirelessly each day to make it meaningful and enjoyable for our people. Over the years, we have fostered a culture that is truly enabling, rewarding, and above all, that makes our people feel at home. I think what makes our employee engagement framework unique is that it's democratic, focuses on total well-being, instills pride, and motivates our people to perform beyond their defined goals.
It's also time to hear out for the winner in the category Best Employee Engagement Program Multi-Industry, and the winner also is Tata Capital Limited. Let's hear a few words from Ms. Shiraz Neville Patel, Associate VP HR and L&D, Tata Capital.
Hello everyone. We're indeed delighted that our Happiness Plus program has received the Best Employee Engagement Program Award. Thank you Kamikaze and the jury members for honoring us with this recognition. The Happiness Plus initiative is a flagship engagement program across Tata Capital. It primarily focuses on the overall happiness of our employees, which transcends well beyond the workplace. As a financial services provider, we truly believe that employees are our key asset, and all our initiatives strive to create a happy and connected workplace. We are honored that our efforts in the space of workplace happiness are being acknowledged and recognized today. Thank you so much.
Well, as we had mentioned, we've got 3 winners in the category of Best Employee Engagement Program Multi-Industry. Let's also hear it for Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Private Limited. Let's hear a few words from Mr. Raj N, founder, chairman, Zaggle.
Zaggle Propel is a SaaS platform which helps engage, recognize, motivate and reward employees and channel partners across industries. Pandemic has given digitization a huge boost, resulting in many companies accelerating the process to go digital and to deploy SaaS. I sincerely thank Team Zaggle and the jury for awarding the best employee engagement program to Zaggle Propel. Thank you so much.
Our next category for the evening, most effective recruitment and retention strategy. And the winner is TVS Credit Services Limited. Huge congratulations to the team for keeping that excitement really high up in the air. Let's move forward towards our next category, best overall employee engagement company. And the winner is Tata AIA Life Insurance. Moving on towards our next category for the evening, best internal communications strategy. And the winner is Canara HSBC OBC Life Insurance. Huge congratulations to the team, and let's also hear from Ms. Kiran Yadav, Chief People Officer, Canara HSBC OBC Life Insurance, on what she has to say about this win.
Hi everybody, my name is Kiran and I represent Canara HSBC OBC Life Insurance. I represent HR and internal communications, and it's an absolute honor to have received this award from the Human Excellence Awards Group. It's a privilege, a responsibility, and like I said, an honor. So on behalf of the team, thank you so much. We are humbled. It's been a very, very challenging year. We have 4 pillars of communication: crisis management, business engagement, employee engagement, and well-being. And initially we thought, there won't be too much communication this year. But contrary to that, it's been a year full of communication. We were stretched to our limits, and every day we woke up with a what next to make sure that our employees were engaged, honored, and empathized with at the right time. The foundation that we use for communication is HOT. It's been tough, wonderful, and very, very rewarding. Thank you so much again.
Well, it's getting really exciting in here, and let's move forward towards our next category, best recruiting strategy for future workplace. And the winner is Melbar ITES. Well, let's hear it from Mr. Amol Mane, who's the Managing Director and Founder, Melbar.
Hi, I'm Amol Mane, Managing Director at Melbar. Firstly, thank you Kamikaze for giving us an award for Best Recruitment Strategy for Future Workplace. I'm thankful to all my mentors till date who guided me throughout my career, and cannot forget my team from India and Philippines. Without them, we wouldn't have reached here. I'd also like to thank our partners who believed in us and invested in us. Even if I didn't have any prior experience with regards to business, my family had no doubts in me, and they have been as steady as a rock on a journey to start something on our own. Thank you once again, and cheers.
We're almost inching closer towards the end, so let's keep that excitement high up in the air for the rest of the categories. Let's hear it for the best employee rewards and recognition strategy. And the winner is Elara Technologies Pte Limited. But it's time to hear from Ms. Namita Bharadwaj, Senior Director HR, Elara Technologies, to share about this win.
It's truly an honor to be recognized as a winner of Excellence in Employee Rewards and Recognition Strategy. At Elara, we strongly believe in acknowledging the efforts of our people and thanking them for their unmatched contribution towards our growth story. We believe that workplace recognition not only imparts a sense of accomplishment and makes people feel valued, but also inspires others to strive for the same. I think what makes our R&R framework unique is that it is personalized, happens across levels, and aims to recognize every little or big effort that our people display at work.
You know what, I'm actually super stoked about all these categories, and that also brings me towards our next category for the evening, People-Focused Workplace Design Strategy. And the winner is Signet. Well, I must tell you this, that it's time for our penultimate category for the evening. It's time for the most innovative deployment of HR technology. And the winner is Talent Maximus India Private Limited. Well, let's hear a few words from Ms. Hemalata Vijayasarathi, Senior Vice President, Talent Maximus India Private Limited.
We are glad to receive the award for Most Innovative Deployment of HR Technology for the year 2021 from Zendesk. It's a sort of recognition and motivation for our organization and the team who are behind it in achieving this award. Credit goes to IT team and whole of operations who are very much dedicated and customer focused. It's nowadays very important to deliver what's required than what is available. And it's a very thin line of understanding, and success is based on how well you empathize the problem and build solutions around it. We are sure that our Elixir HR will be a game changer in terms of providing the right solutions to make our client employees delighted. Thank you.
And with that, it's time for our final category for the evening, health and well-being strategy at work. Well, yes, ladies and gentlemen, and the winner is Transport Corporation of India Limited. Mighty congratulations to the entire team, and let's also hear from Mr. Ashish Ranjan Roy, Vice President, Transport Corporation of India Limited, to share a few words.
Hi everyone, I am Ashish Roy from TCI. Thanks to Kamikaze team for selecting TCI for this wonderful category of health and well-being strategy at work. We feel honored to receive this prestigious award. Safety is fundamental to success at TCI's business. We shall be committed to meet all safety and health-related regulations and shall be striving to make our workplace more safer. Once again, thank you jury members for considering us for this prestigious award. Thank you.
And with that, huge congratulations to all the teams, to all the people. It's amazing indeed to see the kind of recognition, to see the kind of contribution towards the industry during such trying and testing times. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we do come to the end of the awards ceremony. A big thank you indeed to all of our jury members for their time, and congratulations to all the award winners. We do hope that we get to meet personally in the 2022 edition. But with that, I am Kavya R. Chavli signing off for now, and I do hope that we all at Kamikaze B2B Media are waiting eagerly to see you all in person really soon. So stay safe, take care, and see you really soon.